Let us talk about the various types of PCB that can be manufactured by the PCB manufacturers. At the top level, PCB are of two types, rigid PCB and flex PCB. The PCB we normally design are rigid PCB. Flex PCB is used where flexibility is required and rigid PCB doesn't fit. There is also another type which is a combination of rigid and flex type and is called rigid flex PCB. Rigid PCB are of different types. The first type is single-side PCB where routing and components are placed only on single side of the PCB. In a double-side PCB, components are placed on the both top and bottom side of the PCB. The next category is multi-layer PCB, where the components are on top and bottom and routing apart from top and bottom will also be in the inner layers of the PCB. We can say conductor is on all layer of the PCB. For example, PCB starting from 4 layers is an example of multi-layer PCB. The next category is the multi-layer metal core PCB where there is a metal in the inner layer or on the bottom of the PCB. This helps to dissipate heat. The metal can be copper or aluminum. LED lighting, photovoltaic applications use this type of PCB. Another type is CEM3 PCB which uses a copper-clad composite laminate. In this laminate, glass fiber cloth and copper foil have been impregnated with epoxy resin. CEM3 are used in automotive, commercial applications.